Hi guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to our Jnana Bhumi Patashala YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce myself. My name is Mohammad An Sheikh. My father name is Muhammad Yunus Sheikh. My mother name is Reshma Banu. My grandmother name is Rabia. My grandfather name is Abdullah. I want to become a IAS officer. I am studying in 8th class. My hobbies are playing and writing. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Digant. I am studying in class 6th. My father name is Mahatesh. My mother name is Sukanya. I am interested in cricket. Indian Army. Thank you. Good evening. My name is Anupama. My father name is Hobanna. My mother name is Lakshmi. My sister name is Nirupama. I become teacher. I studying in second standard, third standard. I become teacher. I want to become teacher and engineer. Thank you. Good evening. My name is Raya. My father name is Maleshappa. My mother name is Jayava. My sister name is Srushti. My grandmother name is Yelava. My grandfather name is Anandappa. My I wants to become a doctor. My hobby is playing coco and writing. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Jnana Bhumi Patashala YouTube channel. My name is Purnima. I am studying in 8th standard. I am 14 years old. I am from Lakshmeshwar. My sister name is Pavitra. My father name is Ellappa. My mother name is Manjula. My brother name is Prashant. I am interested in badminton. Uh, I wants to become lawyer. Thank you.